Hello, I'm Mark Elliott from Fluent Finance Abroad, the independent Spanish mortgage consultancy based here in Marbella, and this is the Spanish Mortgage Report. Euribor is currently at 3.72, so we've seen a slight uptick. So nothing major to report there, steady as she goes, and it seems like there'll be another couple of months before we start seeing central banks cutting rates. What I would like to share with you is what kind of the best non-resident mortgage rates that you can obtain currently, and last month we had a pretty good month in terms of mortgage approvals, and I'll run through three of the top deals for non-residents that we obtained last month of February 2024. So the box standard rate for a normal 70% mortgage for a fairly good mortgage application, the best deal we got was 3.3 fixed for 5 years, and then a floating rate of Euribor plus 0.95, which is pretty good at 70% loan to value, which is the maximum you can get as a non-resident. We got a very interesting deal at fixed at 2.5% for 2 years, and then a variable floating rate above Euribor plus 1, which is still very good for a non-resident. But the star of the show, should be of real interest, is that we managed to secure a 25-year fixed rate deal for a non-resident, and the headline rate was 2.85. That, when you compare it to the Euribor at 3.72, is a fantastic deal, and the client was over the moon. The reason why the lender that we ended up going with this one, there was a huge competition for this particular client, was because the actual application was amazing. It was one of the best applications we've seen in a long time. The client was employed, had a basic salary of over £250,000. This client was from the UK, and also had the similar amount in bonus. The clients, they didn't have too much in the way of debt, and the size of the mortgage was quite high. So there's quite a bit of profit in there for the final lender. It was just under €1 million. So that is why this particular client was able to secure such an amazing 25-year fixed rate deal. Thank you very much.